outside lane, trying to make up some ground here as a front two, trying to get him.
The race. Kyle on the outside of Tony Stewart. He's going to battle for third, but Smoke is not done yet. He powers to a low groove. Denny Hamlin, he's back on the hunt for second.
Last time up the super stretch, Kurt had the outside line. He'll come back to the bottom. Smoke's got thoughts going off the gut. He'll back away as Kurt changes lanes. Here's Tony back to the bottom. He wants a piece of second, but he's got to get around Denny Hamlin to get it.
Watching Kyle Busch right behind Denny Hamlin. He thought about trying to slip to the inside. Couldn't do it. Jimmy Johnson had it sealed off. Here comes Denny Hamlin, though. He's got the outside line rumbling. He'll take the lead.
Just wonder if they can race like this all night long. Back down to the start-finish line. Still, Kurt Busch